Most tacos are good, some are great, but a few are unforgettable. This is the kind that fills the kitchen with aroma before anyone even takes a bite. Sizzling chicken, sweet peppers, and onions hitting a hot pan, releasing a smell that instantly makes you hungry. A soft tortilla warming just enough to become flexible and fragrant. Fresh lime, warm spices, and a little bit of heat coming together in one perfect fold. This is not fast food. This is food that feels alive. And today, we are making the tacos that turn a simple dinner into something people remember. This is how chicken fajita tacos are made. We begin with a clean kitchen and fresh ingredients laid out on the counter. The chicken is chilled and ready to be sliced into thin strips. Bell peppers bring color and sweetness to the dish. Onions add depth and aroma when cooked properly. Spices are measured carefully to create the fajita flavor. Oil helps the seasoning coat every surface of the meat. Lime juice adds brightness and balances the richness. Everything is prepared before the heat is turned on. This ensures the cooking process moves smoothly. Organization makes cooking faster and more enjoyable. A sharp knife makes clean cuts and improves texture. A sturdy pan ensures even heat distribution. Fresh ingredients always create better results. Simple tools are enough for great cooking. Preparation is where good cooking begins. Every ingredient has a purpose in the final flavor. Balance is the goal from the very first step. Nothing here is complicated or expensive. It is about technique, not complexity. Good food starts with attention and care. The chicken is sliced thin so it cooks quickly and evenly. Uniform size prevents some pieces from overcooking. The bell peppers are cut into long strips for texture. The onions are sliced to match the peppers in size. Everything is kept separate for now. Clean cuts keep the presentation neat. Fresh vegetables release better flavor when heated. Moisture is kept minimal to allow proper browning. A dry surface creates better caramelization. Sharp edges create better mouthfeel. Texture is as important as flavor. Cooking begins before the pan is heated. Preparation defines the final result. Every slice contributes to consistency. Even cooking is the goal of careful slicing. No piece should cook faster than another. Uniformity creates professional results. Simple details elevate the dish. Small adjustments make a big difference. Precision improves both flavor and appearance. Spices are combined to form the fajita seasoning. Chili powder adds warmth without overwhelming heat. Paprika brings color and subtle sweetness. Cumin adds depth and a smoky note. Garlic and onion powders round out the flavor. Salt enhances everything else. Pepper adds gentle sharpness. Oil carries flavor into the meat. Lime juice brightens the entire mixture. The chicken is coated evenly on all sides. Every piece should look lightly covered. No excess liquid should pool at the bottom. The chicken rests to absorb the seasoning. Even 10 minutes makes a difference. Time allows flavor to move inward. This is a simple but important step. Rushing here reduces final flavor. Patience improves the result. Marination is quiet work, but it defines the taste. The pan is heated before adding anything to it. A hot pan prevents sticking and steaming. Oil is added just before the chicken. The chicken is placed in a single layer. Crowding is avoided to allow browning. Steam is the enemy of good searing. The chicken is left undisturbed at first. This allows a golden crust to form. That crust creates flavor through caramelization. The smell changes when browning begins. That aroma signals proper cooking. The chicken is flipped only when ready. It finishes cooking gently on the second side. Overcooking is avoided to preserve juiciness. Color is watched closely. Timing matters more than heat level. Heat is controlled throughout the process. Burning is never allowed. Balance is always the goal. Golden is better than dark. The cooked chicken is removed and set aside. This prevents overcooking while vegetables are prepared. The same pan is used to capture leftover flavor. Onions are added first to soften. They release sweetness as they cook. The pan picks up their aroma immediately. Bell peppers follow once onions soften. They are cooked until tender but still crisp. This preserves color and texture. Salt is added lightly to enhance flavor. A squeeze of lime balances the sweetness. Vegetables should remain vibrant, not dull. Overcooking removes their freshness. Heat is reduced if needed. Gentle cooking preserves natural flavor. Vegetables should bend, not collapse. Texture contrast makes the dish interesting. Soft and crisp should coexist. Color indicates proper doneness. Brightness signals freshness. The cooked chicken is returned to the pan with the vegetables. Everything is tossed gently to combine. Flavors blend together in the heat. The pan becomes aromatic again. A small splash of liquid can loosen the mixture. This creates a light glaze if desired. Everything cooks together briefly. This step unifies the dish. Taste is adjusted with salt or lime. Seasoning is corrected at the end. Heat is turned off once satisfied. Overcooking now would dry the chicken. Gentle handling keeps pieces intact. Stirring is minimal and controlled. Everything should look glossy and fresh. Color should remain vibrant. Steam should rise lightly, not heavily. This signals perfect doneness. The pan is removed from heat. The filling is now complete. Tortillas are warmed in a dry pan. This makes them flexible and aromatic. Cold tortillas crack and tear easily. Warmth improves texture immediately. Each tortilla is heated briefly on both sides. Brown spots add flavor and softness. Tortillas are stacked to keep warm. Moisture is avoided to prevent sogginess. Warm tortillas improve the eating experience. They fold easily around the filling. They should feel soft, not wet. Texture here affects every bite. Proper warming is often overlooked, but it matters greatly. Simple steps improve comfort and taste. This prepares the base for assembly. Everything is now ready to build. Heat is maintained, but not excessive. The tortillas remain flexible. The stage is set for final assembly. The filling is spooned into each tortilla. Portions are balanced and even. No taco should be overloaded. Balance prevents spilling and mess. The mixture is centered for easy folding. Fresh toppings are added lightly. Lettuce adds crunch and freshness. Cheese adds richness and salt. Salsa adds acidity and moisture. Creamy sauces soften spice and heat. Cilantro adds herbal brightness. Everything is layered with intention. Each topping has a role. Nothing should dominate completely. Harmony is the goal of assembly. Texture and flavor should contrast gently. Every bite should feel balanced. Nothing should overwhelm the rest. This creates a professional result. Simple food becomes refined through balance. A final squeeze of lime finishes the tacos. This awakens all the flavors. Fresh acid always enhances cooked food. A small amount goes a long way. Too much acid can overpower. Balance is always respected. Heat, salt, fat, and acid are balanced. This is the foundation of good cooking. Taste is the final judge. Adjustments are made only if needed. Every palate is slightly different. Trust your senses over strict measurements. Cooking is both science and feeling. Technique guides instinct. Experience improves judgment. Taste is checked before serving. This prevents disappointment at the table. Quality control happens in the kitchen, not on the plate. Responsibility ends only when served.
Here they are, piping hot.
The tacos are served immediately while hot. Heat preserves texture and aroma. Cooling reduces enjoyment quickly. Freshness is best experienced immediately. Plates are warmed if possible. This keeps food hot longer. Presentation is simple and clean. Garnishes are minimal but thoughtful. Nothing distracts from the main dish. The tacos speak for themselves. Aroma rises as they reach the table. Steam signals freshness and warmth. First impressions matter in food. Smell prepares the palate. Visual appeal increases enjoyment. Simple plating feels honest and inviting. No decoration is unnecessary. The focus is always flavor. The meal is now complete. It is ready to be enjoyed.